AI in the future, will robots take over? In this era of rapid technological advancement, the question on everyone's mind is, will robots take over? As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, the future seems uncertain, leaving many wondering about the impact it will have on our lives. Let's delve into this topic and explore the potential scenarios that lie ahead. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that usually require human intelligence. From self-driving cars to voice assistants, AI is becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives, making it seem like the groundwork for a robotic takeover is being laid. However, it is important to understand that AI is a tool created by humans, designed to enhance efficiency and make our lives easier. Despite the remarkable advancements we have witnessed, there are certain limitations that prevent robots from completely taking over. While robots excel at repetitive and mundane tasks, they lack the creativity, emotions, and adaptability that humans possess. It is these very qualities that make us unique and essential in several areas such as art, music, and complex decision-making. Therefore, it is highly unlikely that robots will replace humans in these domains. Furthermore, the integration of AI into our society will also lead to the emergence of new job opportunities. As robots take over monotonous and dangerous tasks, humans can focus on higher-level work requiring critical thinking and creativity. This shift will lead to a transformation of the job market, creating new avenues for growth and innovation. Despite these reassurances, caution must be exercised to ensure the ethical development and deployment of AI. As AI becomes more advanced, it is crucial to establish regulations to prevent any misuse or abuse of this technology. By maintaining a balance between AI's capabilities and human values, we can harness its power for the betterment of society. Additionally, it is important to note that the future is not set in stone. The trajectory of AI's development largely depends on our choices and actions. By prioritizing ethical considerations, we can shape a future where AI coexists harmoniously with humans, augmenting our capabilities rather than replacing them. In conclusion, the future relationship between robots and humans is an uncertain terrain. While AI continues to advance at an astounding pace, it is unlikely that robots will take over completely. The distinctive qualities of the human mind and our ability to adapt, create, and make complex decisions are hard to replicate. We must embrace AI as a tool that can enhance our lives while ensuring its responsible implementation. By doing so, we can forge a future where humans and robots coexist, leveraging their unique strengths to build a better world together.